U.S. Air Force pilots will fly with robotic wingmen this year. For decades, fighter pilots flying alongside intelligent machines felt like science fiction. But in 2026, it becomes reality. The United States Air Force is integrating robotic wingmen into real-world operations, pairing aircraft like the F-22 Raptor with autonomous drones such as the MQ-20 Avenger in controlled exercises. The milestone marks a shift in mission planning and execution, with human pilots supported by AI systems that enhance awareness and reduce risk. Here's how this evolution in manned-unmanned teaming is redefining teamwork in the sky. Over California, the U.S. Air Force and General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, Inc., GAASI, demonstrated the future at Edwards Air Force Base. A human-piloted F-22 Raptor acted as a digital conductor, directing an unmanned MQ-20 Avenger through complex tactical maneuvers in real time. This was more than remote control. It showcased manned-unmanned teaming. Using advanced autonomy software, the F-22 issued high-level commands, while the MQ-20 relied on onboard sensors to think and respond independently. The MQ-20 performed patrols and threat simulations, linking F-22 autonomy software with GAASI's interface for seamless command coordination. Reflecting on the milestone, General Atomics President David R. Alexander said in a press release, "We appreciate the flawless execution of this mission using the government's advanced autonomous systems. This demo featured the integration of mission elements and the ability of autonomy to utilize onboard sensors to make independent decisions and execute commands from the F-22. For 5 years, the MQ-20 supported the CCA program. Its success proves drones are adaptive force multipliers, making pilot-robot teaming flight-proven ahead of 2026 rollout. On February 12th, the U.S. Air Force validated its autonomy government reference architecture, enabling interoperable drone software. Collins Aerospace's Sidekick Autonomy-powered GA's YFQ-42ACCA Dark Merlin, completing a 4-hour semi-autonomous mission, proving reliable data sharing and advancing manned-unmanned coordination.